In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Kit to my email. This process helps you set up the email details that Kit will use, and it also lets you verify that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your inbox because you will need to open a verification email at the end. To start, log into your Kit account. Go to the Kit website or open the Kit app, then sign in with your usual login information. If you are already logged in, you can simply continue to the next part. Once you are in your account dashboard, you should be able to see your main workspace and account controls. Next, click your account name in the top right corner and select Settings. This is where Kit gathers all of your preferences, including email configuration. The account name menu is typically small and tucked into the top area of the screen, so take a moment to look carefully at the top right region. When you see your name or profile label, click it, and then choose Settings from the drop-down list. After that, select Email from the left sidebar. The left sidebar usually organizes settings by category, so email should be listed along with other options. Click Email so you can view the specific fields related to email sender information and verification. This section is important because it determines what name and address appear when Kit sends messages. Now locate the sender information section on this email page. You should see fields labeled for the sender details. This is where you will define the from name and the from email address. Take your time here because accurate sender information can help ensure your emails look correct and are delivered smoothly. Then enter your from name and from email address. The from name is the display name that recipients will see, so choose a clear and recognizable name that represents you or your organization. For the from email address, enter the address that you want Kit to use when sending emails. Make sure you enter it carefully, matching the exact spelling and formatting, because verification depends on this address. Once you have filled in both fields, click Save. This action confirms your changes and stores them in your account settings. After you click Save, you may see a message indicating that your settings have been updated. If the page refreshes or shows a confirmation, wait briefly so the changes fully apply before moving on. Now you are ready for the final step, which is verification. Open the verification email sent to your inbox and click the Verify link. Kit sends this email to confirm that you own the email address you entered. Go to your inbox, look for a message from Kit, and then open it. Inside the email, there should be a verification link. Click that link to complete the setup. After you click the Verify link, your email address should be confirmed and linked to your Kit account. If the link opens in a new tab or window, return to your Kit settings page if needed to make sure everything shows as verified. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.